They came up with the idea to do a foundation that's going to do work within the community, use the power of their media, the power of their message to look at many different things in the society that have great need. Of course, we've already had what I guess you could describe as a soft launch, which is PSA's public service announcements. I'm sure people have already heard the messages that we were sending out about the homeless, about kids out of school. So through the power of the radio and television, we want to address these burning social issues that the nation needs to be made aware of. One of the other ones, we believe that we need to take a new approach to how we deal with homeless people. We want to shine a light on this problem. We believe this is a social problem. These are brothers and sisters, and we all must be concerned about them, and we must all hold hands to help to better their lives. So the homeless is one of our big issues. Um, we are also embracing other NGOs who we believe are doing great work within the community and need more help. To that end, we've embraced the Hospice and Palliative Care Foundation, who we believe is doing just outstanding work in the community to help the aged people who are sick in a home and are challenged. They go into their homes and they help to feed them, care for them, and many are very sick. Many have terminal illnesses, and so we believe that this is a great service to the community, and their great work needs to be amplified. We need to have the nation share in the work they do so that more can come on board to help, and in particular, more can come on board to help to fund this great work. So that's another one of our initiatives. Uh, uh, Third one will be what is called a Godparents program. There's a huge problem with truancy in this country. Many kids in primary school are not in school. Many youth in high school are not in school. And so we're going to appeal to the conscience of the nation. Those who have more need to help those who have less. And so we're launching a Godparents program where we're going to ask the more affluent of the community to adopt a child back into school. And we've already made contact with the truancy department, and we want to again shine a light on this problem, get the community involved, get them to start to help us to get kids back into school, because a mind is a terrible thing to waste. So we have to educate our youth, and so that is another main focus of our foundation. And probably the largest and the most challenging of all is called a National Accord. A National Accord is an initiative to bring all the political parties, all the NGOs, the churches, the activists into one room and sit down and hash out the situation in Belize. Things are not going well in this country, and we need to understand why. And politics and political tribalism has divided this country. And so we believe that we have to find a mechanism to unite and find a way forward that's going to be in the best interest of this nation. It was done in Peru in 2006, I think, and it has had transformative changes on their economy, on their social conscience, on their national conscience. Peru is now a country that is moving ahead because of the National Accord. And so we want to take on this also as one of the major challenges of the Love Foundation. We will need the community to hold hands with us, to join hands with us, to help to fund this initiative. The Villanuevas have gifted free radio and free television time to the foundation, and that is our currency. And so we have to convert that currency into cash to help to pay for the programs that we want to launch, to pay for operational costs.